Hello, welcome back. We are going to have a weekly reset day today. And actually we're gonna make it a half day because I woke up this morning and I honestly wasn't really feeling like it. I feel like my mental health has been all over the place and I haven't been feeling great physically, which probably has to do with my nutrition. So I thought I'd take you with me through doing all of the things that I know will set me up for a great week, will make me feel so much better about my day and what's coming in the week, and also will be good for me. So yes, we are going to do this. If you need to get your life together, just put this video on your phone in a corner or like on your laptop somewhere and do the things with me, because honestly there is something magical about hitting the reset button and deciding to get your life together. And I think the best thing of all of this is the fact that you do not have to do it only once. You get to wake up and every day press reset and every day decide that today is going to be the day when you're going to achieve everything that you want to achieve, that you're going to do everything that you want to do. And it may not be it, but you get to wake up the next day and try again. So this is like the thing that I love the most about it. I do mini resets all the time. I usually have a weekly reset. I have a little bit of a day reset that happens mostly either first thing in the morning or at the sort of like midday point, like it is happening right now. And then I also have monthly resets, I do quarterly resets, and obviously, you know, the yearly goals and all of that kind of stuff. But anyway, this is to say resets are the way to go. Let's do one together. Let's get our life back on track and feel better about ourselves, what's coming, what's going to be happening, what we're going to be able to make it happen. And that's it. Let's do it. First thing that I should probably mention is that I started this reset for me with basically myself. So I woke up this morning, I needed to have a shower, I needed to wash my hair, get my hair ready, do my skincare, and like just get all of the things done that I know will make me feel like I want to show up for myself in a good, confident, positive way. So if that is you, just jump in the shower now and get yourself together before you can get your house and whatever else you need to get together. Okay, now I'm gonna be honest, my place looks really messy at the moment. So it's very dark as well in here, so I'm just going to like open the curtain so you're gonna be able to see the mess better. And so I need to change. Oh my god, this is turning out to be super chaotic. I need to change our beddings and wash them. I need to fold the laundry and just get this room back together, because this isn't the way I like my room to look like. It is an absolute mess, but I want to be honest, it's what it looks like. So we're gonna get it all sorted and done. Okay, so we've done the bedroom and I've put some laundry in, which is great. So whilst that does its thing, I am going to sort out the kitchen. Admittedly, there isn't a huge amount to sort out, but I want to cook, because next step after I finish clearing everywhere is going to be to meal prep. So I like to cook in a clean kitchen, so I'm gonna do that now whilst I watch some Gilmore Girls, because that's just like my way when I have to do something in the house and I don't really want to do it. The only way that I can bribe myself to do it is if I've got something like a Netflix show most likely, or a podcast or something. Or the other thing that I do sometimes is just call someone and like catch up over the phone whilst I clean around, because you know, like it's not a mental thing to clean, so I can still give you my full attention whilst chatting, but it just makes me feel less unproductive. And we are not going to analyze why that is, because honestly I do have problems with productivity, but that we're gonna keep for another video. Okay, so now the kitchen is nice and clean, and I'm going to start meal prepping. And I think I'm gonna do two things for meal prep because I'm actually leaving for New York soon, so we're not gonna need that much food. But I basically want to have some things that I can grab quickly so that I don't get hungry or get tempted to order takeout. And I feel like this is like a massive part of my reset. If I make sure that I have some food in the fridge that is already like cooked and I just have to warm up, but it's not like stuff that I just like bought ready, because that just doesn't do well with my stomach, to be honest. That's like the winning kind of combination. So I'm gonna do two things. I'm gonna do one soup, like I've got some like frozen veggies, and then I'm just gonna put some fresh veggies as well, and then I'll have that. And then I will also make some chili for us to have with either tacos or burrito form, or as just a chili with rice, because I feel like that is one of the things that is probably the easiest to just change into different dishes. Okay, so I've got some things cooking, which is nice, and now I'm going to go and put the dryer on and also change the towels and just freshen up the bathroom really quickly. And then I think I'm just gonna call it a day. So far so good. I feel like so happy that I actually pushed myself to do this. So home stretch, final bit. Okay, so I'm pretty satisfied with everything that I've done around the house. I feel like it's been very refreshing to reset the place and to kind of like reset myself. And there's a couple of more things that I'm gonna do tonight to make sure that tomorrow I feel like I'm super ready to take on whatever the day throws at me. Obviously we're gonna have like dinner as Sam comes home, and then I think I'm going to do a little bit of journaling, relaxing and reading, and then to finish off the day I'll do some skincare, and probably I might whiten my teeth, but I'm not sure if I'm going to. Just depends how tired I am. But I always feel like ending the day with a little bit of a ritual can help you so much to start the day then the next morning so much better. I am somebody who, if nothing is ready, I'm basically not going to do anything. So I have to really think about future Ein, because if I don't set myself up for success, I'll just end up feeling overwhelmed and feeling like I'm never going to be able to achieve everything I want to achieve, and then the sort of productivity or unproductivity guilt will settle in, and quite honestly it's just going to be a disaster. So it's hard to remember because I often just want to be spontaneous. But okay, well, I'm also losing my voice, which is not very good. But what I was saying is it's hard to remember because I often just want to be spontaneous. But I'm also someone that thrives with preparation, and that allows my anxiety to just like ease up a little bit and feel like things are going to be okay. And I tend to otherwise dramatize and like really just think about the worst case scenario. So I feel like I'm gonna have to stop talking now because my throat is just doing something funny, but I will continue to take you with me for the rest of the evening so you can see how I finish off, and then I will catch up with you shortly. I have just realized that I haven't done probably the most important thing in a reset day or a reset moment, which is, and my battery is about to die, but which is to plan my day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like plan my calendar, put all my appointments in, and get a very clear idea of what is going to come up this week, because otherwise I'm just gonna have lots of things like going around in my brain all the time that are gonna cause me stress. So I will go through my recent messages and DMs and stuff like that, my emails, and check any appointments that I've made, make sure that I've got them planned in my calendar, make sure that I've got enough time in terms of like traveling from one place to the other, and then I think we are gonna be very nearly there.